In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your earnings from vPropTrader step by step so you can access your rewards without confusion. Let's start with the basics. Once you log into your vPropTrader dashboard, you'll notice clear menu options for deposits, withdrawals, and payouts. These sections are designed to make fund management straightforward and easy to access. To request a withdrawal, go to the payout or withdrawal section from your dashboard. Here, you can submit a withdrawal request and track its stats. Follow the on-screen instructions, select your available balance, and confirm your request. It's important to understand how vPropTrader works. The platform charges a one-time evaluation fee, not a monthly subscription. The fee depends on the challenge type, such as a two-step challenge, and the virtual account size you choose, which typically ranges from smaller balances up to larger funded accounts. Some challenges may even be free, while higher account sizes come with higher one-time fees. Also keep in mind that vPropTrader provides virtual rewards and educational incentives, not real trading profits from live markets. Withdrawals are based on the platform's rules and the successful completion of its challenges. User experiences with withdrawals can vary. Some traders report smooth payouts, while others mention delays or additional verification steps. Because of this, always make sure you fully understand the payout rules before submitting your request. Once you've completed the required steps and your request is approved, you'll receive your payout through the method supported by the platform. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.